If a person has the thing, they're going to be a technician. If they don't have the thing, so a technician's tools are like another appendage. We cannot live without them. We tend to be extremely protective of them, and worst thing you can do as a non-technician is to go ask a technician to borrow his tools. That is not okay. We get really weird about that because we've had people walk off with our tools. Thousands and thousands of dollars worth of special tools. I have thousands of dollars worth of my own tools. This socket is $50 for this one. That's how many I have just to do my job. Those are just the sockets. This drawer is nothing but wrenches. This drawer is pliers. So, I mean, you see, it takes a lot to work on your car. It takes a bunch. And we have to provide those ourselves. No oil leaks, everything looks good. I wouldn't expect to see anything bad on this car because it's only got 11,000 miles on it. And so far, I'm not surprised. It looks just like I expect it to. I got so much useless information in my brain that there's not any room. My wife will ask me, what'd you have for lunch? And I'll go, I don't know. I've ate, I remember that. You know, you have short-term memory, long-term memory, and working memory. My working memory is the busiest of my memories. I use it 10 times more than any of the others. I don't know if that's going to be warranty or not. They're out of basic, but under powertrain. So I don't know if the intercooler water pump is going to be covered. I'll still need to check the EGR, but no one's told me if we got approval for any of this diag if it doesn't go warranty. If a person has the thing, they're going to be a technician. If they don't have the thing, I don't know what the thing is, but it's something in your brain that looks at things differently than, oh, that's a key fob. No, I'm thinking that's a battery and some circuit boards, and it sends out a signal that's red with there's got to be a code so that, you know, and I'm thinking about all of that stuff. Yeah, that's how my brain works. See what I did there? I got a little oil and put it on this. That way it doesn't bind and it'll make sure it seals properly. Yeah, it's not just, let me change your oil, you know. I mean, it's actually, there's a lot to it. There's a whole lot to it. It's not a simple thing. And down here is all the things it wants me to inspect that I've already been inspecting as I'm just looking at the car, because I've done this so many thousands of times. Sometimes, like this test I did this morning, I'll just do it because I need to know. So I don't know if I'm getting paid or not, but I need to know. It's a puzzle that I don't have an answer to. So it bothers me. I was thinking about this car last night. I can't tell you the amount of times I've woken up in the middle of the night and went, oh, I know what it is. Seriously, I just wake up and go, oh, I know what it is. I know what it is.
Shuts off.
Yeah, when I quit having all the noise around, and I'm not gonna say it happens while I'm asleep. I think it happens in that little space between when it's really quiet, the dogs are asleep, my wife is, you know, laying down, sleeping, whatever, and I have that few moments. I'm not even thinking about it, but my brain is. It's still going in there.